Hi, it's Brenda from Ride, Ohio. I'd like to talk just a little bit to you about why I like to ride motorcycles. I was introduced to motorcycles when I was about 10 years old. I rode on the back of the motorcycle with my dad. After that, I had met Roger, my husband, and he had a motorcycle. So we did lots and lots of rides together, long rides, short rides, and I just love the way it makes me feel when you're on the back of the motorcycle or even, driving your own motorcycle. The wind in your face and the scenery is so much better when you're on two wheels. I just love it. And I have loved it since I was a kid. But then it got to be when I was going on rides with Roger, it was hurting my butt so bad. The seats, is not made for passengers at all. And any girl out there that rides on the back of their husbands, boyfriends, etc. will tell you it is a horrible ride. So Roger ended up getting a new seat put on his bike. We won a seat from Neen Guards that had extra padding. We tried that. We would ride from Steubenville to New Philly, and we would end up in halfway, and I would cry, and I'm like, hey man, I'm gonna have to call my parents to come get me. I can't do this anymore. This is so uncomfortable. So then it led from there. One day he says, well, the only thing else we can do is get your own bike. So I went out to the state and tried to take my test. And I was so scared. I cried. I literally cried and failed. So I waited a couple more years and went through the Harley Davidsons to get my motorcycle test. And I passed with flying colors. I took it out at around Youngstown area. Roger previously bought me a bike, a Softail. And he got it on St. Patrick's Day, and he says, if I buy this bike, you better go take your license and you better ride. So I was like, I will, I'll do it. So we went out there and I took my test, and they told me, if you ride that big Softail, you will pass this with flying colors, because those were only little, 500 or 800. And so I passed flying colors, and I absolutely love it, riding by myself. And now I upgraded to the Straight Glide, because the comfort was a little bit better than riding the Softail. The Softail was still uncomfortable for me. So I wanted something with comfort and luxury, because I'm a big sissy. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you why I like to ride. And it's just the feel of being free out there on the roads, and just the air blowing in your face, and just the freedom makes you feel like a bird flying. It is the best thing I've ever done in my life. And for all those girls out there that says that they can't do it, it is not hard at all. And to do it, it is so nice. And I just love it. Well, I don't want to take any more time up for you guys, but I'll talk to you soon. Just wanted to share why I like riding motorcycles, and it's just the freedom. So keep the wheels on the ground, guys, and enjoy your rides. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.